Friends, if you want to earn around $1,200 per month easily from an awesome affiliate program, then you must watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome friends, welcome back to another awesome new video. So friends, today in this video I am going to reveal an affiliate program which is very awesome and very different from the one which I shared before. Okay, so this affiliate program, with the help of this affiliate program, you can earn around $1,200 or $1,000 or even more than that. Okay, so if you do want to earn this much amount of money per month easily, you have to watch this video till the end without skipping a single second. So before starting the video, let me explain you, let me tell you that this affiliate program is very unique and very awesome. Okay, so I highly recommend you to join this affiliate program and make money online in affiliate marketing. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to search on Google uMobix. Okay, so as you can see over here at the top, uMobix.com advanced cell phone tracker for modern parents. Okay, so you have to click on this particular link, and as you can see, you will simply come to this page, to this website, which is uMobix.com. Alright, so before just explaining you about this website, about the service they are offering you, let me show you the traffic of this website. As you can see, it has more than 400,000 visits monthly, and along with this you can see that the majority of the traffic is from US, then France, then Canada, then Belarus, and then India. Okay, so all you need to do is, first of all, you have to come on uMobix.com, and let me explain you about the service which they are offering you. So as you can see over here, cell phone tracker for modern parents, which means that it is nothing but a cell phone tracker. Now I hope that you may be doing about what is a cell phone tracker. With the help of these kinds of services or these kind of apps and software, you can easily track a phone. Okay, so they are basically built for modern parents. As you can see, monitor everything that happens on your kid's smartphone or tablet in real time. Okay, which means that you first need to install this application on a mobile phone or on tablet, and then you can easily simply monitor. As you can see, you can monitor browsing history, location, social media apps like TikTok, Facebook, Hangout, Telegram, Instagram. Okay, you can track any social media browsing history and keyboard history or whatever you want to track. You can easily track with the help of this particular software or app, which is uMobix.com. Now, like this software, there are multiple software in this industry, but I think so that uMobix is one of the best. Alright, so if you scroll down, you will come to know about the features of this particular uMobix. As you can see, even more great features. Monitor 41 popular apps and social media. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this platform, and if you want to watch a video, you can even do this. Okay, you can watch this video or this video to get to know this platform in detail. So if you do want to earn with this particular app or particular social or particular software, so first of all you need to do is simply you have to follow the link, follow the first link which is given in the description box. Okay, so you have to just simply follow the link, first link of this video description box, and then you have to come on its affiliate program page. After following the first link of description, you will simply come to this page, which is welcome to uMobix affiliate program. Okay, so with the help of this affiliate program, we can earn a very good amount of money. How? I will explain you in this video. Okay, and along with this, I will also share with you the best method or the best methods to promote this particular affiliate program to the right audience. Okay, as you can see, 120 days cookie and $82 average check, and earn up to 65% per sale. Okay, So the maximum commission is 65%, and as you can see, of the first sale, and 45% of rebates, which means that the minimum amount of commission is 45% and the maximum is 65%. And along with this, as you can see, earn lifetime 10% of your referrals, which means that if you refer an affiliate, okay, not a customer, if you refer an affiliate, so you will also earn lifetime 10% earning, which is a recurring commission. As you can see, it is written over here, lifetime earning, which means that this 10% is a recurring commission, and it is offered 2-tier affiliate program. Okay, so I think that this particular program is one of the best affiliate programs I have seen. Okay, so all you need to do is, first of all, you have to scroll down, and as you can see over here, there are some plans like if you bring 99 sales per month, you will get some amount of commission. Okay, so if your number of sales increase, your commission percentage will also increase definitely. Okay, and as you can see, here are some features like various payment methods and cycles, and study 120 days cookies, and $82 average check to boost your earnings, and wide target audience and use it. Yes, it is. Okay, as you can see, it has broad audience, which means that you can promote this particular software to anyone who wants to track other phone. Okay, and as you can see, quick and profitable start, and lifetime 10% of your referrals, which means that this 10% is recurring commission. So it is just great, my dear friends. Okay, and here are some facts which you can read and understand more about this affiliate program, which is very awesome. Okay, so all you need to do is, first of all, you have to sign up for this affiliate program. So you have to click on this sign up button, and then here will appear a particular, as you can see, sign up form. Basically it is a login form because I have the approval of this particular program. So all you need to do is simply click on the partner sign up button, and then you will simply come to this page where they will ask you some basic information. Okay, so you have to fill in all these informations, and then you have to simply apply to join this particular affiliate program, which is very good. Okay, so as you can see, in the company name you can write your website name or your any social media account name. Okay, and here you have to paste your website link, and you have to write your address, city, state, okay, country, zip code. So all these informations are very basic, and along with this, as you can see, email address, and you have to set your password, first name, last name. You can skip this because it is not compulsory. The field in which it has star, it is compulsory, and the field that doesn't have star, it is not compulsory, it is optional. Okay, now they're asking me, have you worked in the mobile parental control niche earlier? So I don't think so, so let me click on no. And as you can see, how do you plan to promote uMobix, which means that here you have to describe your promotion strategies. Like when say that I will promote with my website or social media or paid marketing or email marketing, you can say that. Okay, and as you can see, this is optional, it is optional, and this is also optional. So first of all, you need to fill in all these informations so that you can simply join this particular affiliate program. Okay, so let me quickly fill in all these information. So after filling in all these informations correctly, you have to just check these boxes and agree to it terms and conditions, and then you have to simply click on this sign up button. So as you can see over here, your application is currently being reviewed. An account manager will contact you shortly, which means that our application is under pending. Within just 24 hours or 2 days, we will get notification, we will get email from this particular uMobix team, okay, of decline or approval. But for sure, I hope that you will get approval. Okay, so let me cut this. Now coming on the promotion part, so let me just click on this particular website, which is uMobix. Just wait a second. You have to come on the uMobix.com. Okay, and you have to come in the affiliate page. So let me first come at the affiliate page. So as you can see over here, the minimum commission is 45%. Okay, now we will talk about the promotional methods we should use to promote this particular uMobix cell phone tracker. Okay, so what it is basically a cell phone tracker. So let me copy this. Okay, so the best method to promote this uMobix is through make a website, write an article, and get rank on Google. Okay, So if I simply search this keyword cell phone tracker, as you can see there are multiple articles. As you can see 10 free apps to track a cell phone. Okay, so there are multiple articles which they have written, and for sure they must have used their affiliate link to monetize their content. Okay, so you need to do the same. All you need to do is, first of all, you have to make a website, and then you have to simply write an article, write an SEO optimized article about this uMobix. Okay, like you can write on this keyword. I know it is a competitive keywords. Okay, to find the best and low competitive keywords, you can use some tools like SEMrush or other free tools to get low competitive keywords. Alright, so let me show you on my SEMrush dashboard a low competitive keyword. So as you can see over here, this particular keyword is very competitive according to SEMrush. As you can see, it has 78% difficulty, which is very hard. Okay, so if you try to target this keyword, it is very hard for you to rank. So all you need to do is simply you have to come in the keyword magic tool. Okay, you have to come in this section. Basically it is a paid tool, you all know this. Okay, so you have to come in the questions part, and then you have to simply scroll down. As you can see there are multiple keywords, but it has very high keyword difficulty. As you can see 75%, 41%. So it is a low competitive. As you can see 20% it is showing green, which means that it is a low competitive keywords for this uMobix platform. Okay, which is how to track cell phone number in Pakistan. So it is a country restricted, so you should skip this. And as you can see, and there are total 32 pages. So let me come at the end pages. So let me come at the fifth page. All right, so as you can see over here, you have to target these keywords which is showing NA, which is not available. Okay, so as you can see there are multiple keywords on which you can work and can get rank on Google and can easily promote this particular platform, which is uMobix. And as you can see over here, there are multiple keywords. As you can see, how to track my child cell phone. Okay, so it is a very good keyword. If you will work on this particular keyword, okay, you can easily use affiliate links of uMobix. As you can see, monitor everything that happens on your kid's smartphone. Okay, so it is very relevant to this particular platform. So all you need to do is simply you have to make a website, write an article on this keyword or on these types of keywords. Okay, and then you have to promote uMobix in that particular article. So in this way you can easily earn a very good amount of money. Now in the beginning of the video I have told you that you can earn around $1,000-$1,200 per month easily. Okay, so let me show you, just wait a second. If you click on the try now button, so let me write my email, and after writing the email let me choose a device, Android, let me. Okay, so as you can see here are some plans like of 1 month $50 per month, 3 months at $27.99 per month, and for 12 months $11.66 per month. So I think that this particular plan is very good. As you can see, best value plan. Okay, it is written over here. So I think that a majority of the user will buy this plan only because they are benefited more in this plan. All right, so as you can see over here, $11.66 into 12 months. Okay, so if you just simply multiply 11.66 into 12, so let me get the answer, which is $139.92, which is almost $140. Okay, so if you sell this plan of $140, then you are going to get at least 45% commission, as it is written over here. Okay, the maximum is 65% and the minimum is 45% per sale. So if you simply calculate the 45% of 140, then you will get the answer, which is 63, which means that on the sale of this particular plan you are going to get $63 per sale if your monthly sales are less than 99. Okay, so I know you are a beginner and you may not get this large amount of sales. Okay, so at least you can earn $63, you can earn $63 on each sale of this plan, which is a very high paying affiliate program. Okay, so you can earn this much amount of money on the each sale of this particular program. Now if you are a beginner, you can get at least 10 or 20 sales per month. Okay, now 20 sales per month is not a big task for you. Okay, if you are promoting in a good way, you can easily generate 20 sales per month. So let me cut this, and if I multiply 63 into 20, you will get the answer, which is $1260, which means that you can easily earn around $1000 or $1200 per month easily with the help of this affiliate program, which is uMobix affiliate program. Okay, because it is offering you a very high amount of commission, because it is an affiliate program which is paying you high payout. Okay, and as you can see, the lifetime 10% commission they are also giving you, which means that it is a recurring commission. You have to promote to affiliates instead of customer, so that if they make sale, you will earn 10% commission, which is recurring and which is lifetime earning. Okay, so with the help of this affiliate program, you can easily earn around $1000 or $1200 per month easily. And if you want, you can also take help of Quora. Just wait a second, because Quora is gold mine, as I told you before only. Okay, so you can just simply target the questions like, just wait a second. If you will come on the main page of uMobix, and if you just simply copy this keyword and search in the Quora, you will get multiple answers. I mean, you will get multiple questions. And now all you need to do is simply you have to just simply apply the filter of questions, and then you have to answer all these questions, but not at a single time. Okay, you have to take break, and then you have to promote this particular uMobix in a better way, so that you can get more and more sales, and you can even do email marketing if you have email list. All right, so I think that this particular affiliate program is great. You have to follow the link which is given in the description, and then you have to create an affiliate account. You have to join this particular program, so that you too can make money online in affiliate marketing. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thank you.